Hello friends, welcome to DP Tutorials. Do you know that Primavera has a feature called Progress Line, which can be used to compare actual progress with the baseline on Gantt chart? Today, in this tutorial, let us understand how we can use the Progress Line feature in Primavera P6. In this example, I am considering a sample project like this, which is very simple. Now first, let us assign the baseline. First, maintain the baseline as this project and then assign the baseline to the project. Once assigning the baseline has been done, then let us update the project. I'm randomly updating the progress. Let's say activity finishes 2 days late. Now update the schedule. Now you can see that activity finishes 2 days late. So activity B start late and now is behind the schedule. Activity C finished 2 days early. So activity D starts early, which is ahead of the schedule. Okay. Like this, once you update the schedule and if you are ready to see the current progress in comparison with the baseline, you should be right clicking on the Gantt chart and select Bar Chart Options. Go to Progress Line tab on the right side and then under By Connecting Progress Line Points Based on Activities, select this option and here from the drop down menu select the percentage complete, that is percent complete. Click OK. Now from the menu bar you can go to View and select the progress line, or from the menu bar you can select the progress line right over here. Now Primavera will show a vertical red line like this. The line will go to left if the activity is behind the schedule, and the line will go right if the activity is ahead of schedule. Now you can observe that activity B, which is lagging behind the schedule, will be shown towards the left side, and at the activity D you can see the progress line going towards the right side. And the point where the red line connects the baseline bar is actually the activity percentage complete. Okay, the reason is we have selected the percent complete as our parameter. So friends, in this way you can display the progress line so as to quickly see which activity is behind schedule and which activity is ahead of schedule. So friends, this is all about how to use progress line in Primavera P6. So friends, if you have enjoyed this video tutorial, please do give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please subscribe DP Tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.